Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 290 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about transformation, the quiet, steady kind that happens when you allow yourself to grow beyond what you once were. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body grounding into the present. You don't have to rush this change. It's already happening within you. With each breath, imagine yourself shedding what no longer fits. Old worries, old stories, old identities that no longer serve your becoming. Now, say to yourself, I release what no longer serves me. I am evolving with grace. And I trust the process of becoming. Notice how light you begin to feel. Transformation doesn't demand force, only willingness. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of graceful becoming with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.